guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So I am here in my bed. I am going to clean it now because as you can see it's a mess. I need to fold the blankets. I need to arrange the pillow. And I need to fold the mosquito net as well. So who wants to help me clean my bed? So I used to use this mosquito net every time I sleep because there's a lot of mosquitoes here in our province. So mosquitoes are dangerous. So I need to protect my skin so that mosquitoes won't bite me. I don't want to get sick. As you know now, if the mosquitoes will bite you, you might get dengue, malaria, and other dangerous diseases. So I recommend that you should use mosquito net as well. Okay? It's so very expensive to get sick. So prevention is better than cure. Who is agree with me? Am I right? Prevention is better than cure? Oh, you better to drink your vitamins every day. Eat healthy foods every day. Okay? I'm going to focus in cleaning now because after I clean my bed, I will go downstairs in the backyard to clean my surroundings because there's a lot of leaves over there and I need to sweep it. I need to throw the garbage. Done folding the mosquito nets and the blanket. So I am going to sleep now because I feel so sleepy folding. So I'm going to sleep now. I'm just kidding. I am here now in the house of chickens, so I want to show all of you my little chicks. So my little chicks, they're so cute. You're so cute like me. Hi little chicks. Hi. Hi little chicks. going to burn all of this garlic. I have a match here. It's not easy to make a fire because it's very windy here. I need to hide my match in. No people in the sea today. As you can see, I only saw a bird and a fish over there. It's so very quiet here, so very peaceful, and the wind is so very refreshing. What a beautiful view. So I bought biscuit in the nearby store. So I bought a Rubisco with honey butter and pita crackers. I am going to take my snack. So I'm going to get a cup too, so that I can put a milk on it. So this is my favorite milk, Bear Brand. It's a powder milk. This is not a sponsored video, guys. I used to put the biscuit in my cup just like this. So this is what I do every time I eat a biscuit with milk, because it's super yummy in this style. So it's really my favorite. Wants to eat, so want to eat. the best. It's super duper yummy. You should try it. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy watching me cleaning my backyard. So thank you so much for watching. Until my next video. Goodbye.